Despite some steep losses on Wall Street overnight, with the S&P 500 down 1.4% and the Nasdaq down by 2.1%, we saw the Australian share market faring relatively better. We saw the Aussie share market flat, only down by a few points, propped up by the banking stocks. The worst performing sector though was the tech sector, and that means for the week we finished the market in the black, up by 0.7%. But in a sign that the volatility may not be over, we have seen the gold subsector gaining 2% today. That means for the week the gold subsector is up by 3%, and that marks the third consecutive week of gains. For the month of October, that subsector is up by 9.5%. But if you're wondering whether this is the start of something more prolonged or a time to buy the dips, we have seen Citi's global strategist Robert Buckland coming out to say that it is time to buy the dips. It says that it's time to stay overweight the US equity market and the two key growth areas of tech and healthcare. It says in terms of its bear market flags, out of 18, only 3.5 are flashing at the moment, and that points to buying this dip. So all in all, closing out a relatively volatile week for the markets, but with a gain of 0.7% for the week.